Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gary, your host, and today I have a new product review for a very simple but important item for making stained glass. And today we're going to review Amazon Basics Brass Mini Wire Brushes. Just got them today and excited to try them out and see how they work. So I made a video, and looking at the price, I said, how could I go wrong? $5.50. I said, let me give it a shot. And after the video, you'll see below the video, I have the link to my Amazon store where you can pick these up if you're interested. And if you get them, I hope they work for you. Let's go on to the video. Okay, welcome back to Gary's Stained Glass channel. I'm so dramatic. I got a new product review. This one, it's really, I was on Amazon and I saw these. These are Amazon, they're called Amazon Basics. If you shop Amazon, you'll see a lot of products are called Amazon Basics. And honestly, they're actually really well made. You know, the stuff that they have. I bought a nice sweatshirt, Amazon Basics sweatshirt. I mean, it's the best sweatshirt. Well made, heavy duty, inexpensive. Anyway, we're doing stained glass, not sweatshirts. Here I got these brass brushes. I need a new brush. Mine's all worn out. And what you use the brass brushes for, cleaning your stained glass, you know, the solder joints. If you're doing zinc, you need a little area of the zinc, or lead, you need to shine up a bit. You want to use a soft brass brush like this because it won't scratch the glass unless you really dig in. It will not scratch. As well, and the reason why I got these, the main reason, is for when you have a dirty tip of your iron. And this one's not too bad, but I just heated it up, and instead of using a sponge with water, well, I put a little flux on it just because, but you know, for a quick swipe. You want to avoid water because when you swipe your tip, you're going to pick up any residue, any dust that landed on it, onto the tip of your arm. It's going to make life miserable when you try to solder. And it's basically it. Even distilled water, it's going to leave a residue on your iron, which will, you know, when you're soldering, you try to, you know, melt your solder, it gets hung up, and you have issues. So what I do, you know, when you're soldering and you find out, you know, things aren't working right, you take a little dip into your flux, which will clean it up really well. Then you take your brass brush and you just brush away. And that will really clean the tip, remove any kind of impurities, and you're ready to go. The solder rolls right off. Let's see, I always dip my solder too. Rolls right off beautifully. So this product review is for these Amazon Basics brass brushes. You get a 3-pack. I think it was $5.50. You can't beat that. And then this intrigued me too, the pointed part here. You know, maybe if you need to get into little corner of the stained glass. I don't know, but it's interesting looking. But for the most part, this wide brass area is perfect for cleaning off an iron, getting it ready to solder well. And again, I mean, you could use a wet sponge. I'm not saying don't use it, but you're going to pick up impurities, just the dust in the air settling. The water puts a film on your tip, making it difficult to, here I have a little flux on here. But you still see some residue on your tip. Whereas you take this brush, you can see it comes right off. All that. And the brass, being it's soft, will not scratch your tip and ruin it. It's not like using a steel brush for that. Also, one other thing, if you're using steel wool to scrub your zincs or your joints where the zinc meets your copper, and you scrub out, take a little steel wool. The problem is with steel wool, the steel itself, it leaves a steel residue on your piece. And that's actually going to, not so much the copper foil, but if your copper foil got that bad, a good fluxing should clean it up. But steel wool on solder will leave a coating of steel on it, a very minute coating. So when you patina it, it's not going to be as rich and deep color as, say, using a brass brush. You go across, say that's soldered, you go across your lines like that. Just a little back and forth, side to side. It's a lot better than using a steel wool. And that's important. And you can get one of those brass, scrubbies. It looks like the scrub pots and pans. That works really well too. So avoid using steel wool. And I wanted to do a product review. It sounds kind of silly. It's a brass brush, but for $5, $5.50, Amazon Basics. Perfect for stained, perfect for cleaning your iron. Because I would just have my brush there. I'm soldering. I just clean the iron and back to soldering without any issues. I hope you get to try them. And you'll find a link below the video. I'll put a link where you can pick these up from Amazon, from my Amazon store. And, give them a try. I mean, it lightweight, it's got a soft grip. They say ergonomic handle. Well, it's well balanced. So give it a shot. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a channel member, join. I just loaded up the member file, cloud files again with a whole bunch of stuff. So, if you're a member, you know all about it. If you're not a member, join. Hit that join button down below. You won't regret it. Trust me. And if you do regret it, I'll not only pay you your money back, I'll double it. I'll double your money back. So, I know you're going to like it. So, but if you didn't, say, hey, Gary, it's not worth $2.99 for all those dozens of patterns. You give me hundreds of dollars worth of patterns. It's not worth the $2.99. Say, okay. Become a member. And thumbs up my video and subscribe. I hate saying all that stuff, but it's kind of what you got to do. It's just a gentle reminder to please support my channel. And you'll see more of this kind of stuff if you do subscribe. You'll see, you'll get an alert that I made a video or I went live, and it helps support my channel. That's the most important thing. And I just want to say thank you. And thank you, members, for being members. Take care. Hi, it's me again. I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and I really do appreciate your support. And again, those brushes will be available in the link below the video. And if you like them, let me know. Go to my community page. I'd like to hear your feedback on it, or you could post right in this video. That's fine. Uh, thanks again. And if you're not a subscriber, you really should subscribe. You'll get all the updates. You'll get notifications of my videos. And be sure never to miss any future broadcasts. And again, just thank you for watching. Take care and have a nice day.